Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to increase staff engagement, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. For today's tip, give your branded merchandise to your team. Your customers may or may not appreciate your branded apparel, but your employees will. And as your employees wear your company logo, they may get involved in conversations that can lead to introducing your company to new people and potential new hires as well. Every year, my husband's company gives each team member a branded t-shirt. It's always fun to see the annual design, and now he has quite the collection. But from an engagement standpoint, a specially designed t-shirt is an inexpensive way to connect with your team. So, how do you do it? Think about creating a welcome basket for your new hires. Provide your company merchandise to the people who are the proudest to wear it. Now, don't make your employees buy the merchandise, for goodness sake. Either give it to them or provide them with an allowance to choose what they would like to have. And finally, if they want to pick something out for a family member, let them. Why would you not want your employees' families to love the fact that their family member works for you? If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement simply by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.